नो मैंने पढ़ा एंड आई लव्ड इट.
आयशा, तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have really.
अरे बट व्हाई नॉट? इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल. तुम और ऐसा, मैं तो भूल ही गई थी कि तुम भी इतना रोमांटिक हो सकते हो.
Oh, thank you very much. But listen, you shouldn't have used my laptop.
सो व्हाट?
I've told you, there could be personal stuff in it.
बेब,
What?
तुम्हारी ब्राउजर हिस्ट्री हमेशा क्लियर कैसे है?
My junk is always full.
इसकी जरूरत नहीं है.
What? You don't want to?
मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा.
No chances. No.
बट व्हाट इफ आई वांट टू?
Aisha, please, we've been over this again and again.
It's been 2 years, Kay. I don't know what you're scared of. I'm at the top of my career. I finally call the shots in my own life. मैं motherhood experience करना चाहती हूँ.
Listen, I'm not scared of anything, okay?
Then why do we need this?
Aisha, aren't we fine the way we are? Huh? Aren't we?
I know how you feel about marriage. Relax. We're not getting married. I'm not richer. I won't take your shit, but that doesn't mean that I don't like the idea of a little Kay running around the house.
You want to play with a little version of Kay? Huh?
Stopping it.
Aisha, there's still time, okay? And honestly, I'm not ready for this. हम साथ हैं, isn't that enough? जब तक है बस यूं ही है. You're the most important woman in my life. Right here, right now.
घड़ी की तरह हो तुम, रुकते ही नहीं, बस चलते ही रहते हो. दिन हो या रात, किसी के लिए नहीं रुकते. 24 घंटे, 24 फ्रेम्स पर सेकंड, एक एक पल को पूरी तरह से जीते हो तुम.
You will never meet that desperate woman ever again.
I promise you. I'm so messed up.
Yes, you are.
Are you gonna tell your boyfriend?
नहीं, मुझे लगा था तुम और मैं, पर तुम कभी नहीं बदलोगे, कभी भी नहीं.
I can try.
तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ समय का खेल है. कल रीजा थी, आज आशा है, and tomorrow it'll be me.
Listen, this can work, okay? I haven't started shooting yet. And we can be together and, you know,
Back to replacing people, aren't you? तुम्हारे साथ काम करने के लिए मैं तुमसे प्यार नहीं कर सकती, और तुम्हारे जैसे आदमी के लिए उसका दिल तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं तोड़ सकती.
oh shit.
Hey, भैया.
No, actually, wait. You know, this was a Hollywood film. I wouldn't have let you go further. I would have stopped you right here, pinned you against the wall and ripped your dress off and kissed you all over, and you would have helped me with my t-shirt, and you would have taken my belt and thrown it somewhere there. And then I would have taken you like this and turned you around, and I would have thrown you on the bed like this and made savage love to you all night. That is if it was a Hollywood film, which it is not. So
और अगर ये बॉलीवुड फिल्म होती तो?
बॉलीवुड फिल्म होती तो हम दोनों यहाँ बैठे होते बिस्तर पर, अच्छे बच्चों की तरह, और एक दूसरे की आंखों में देख रहे होते, इंटेंसली, as if you're about to kill a baby. You're laughing. It's not funny.
You're funny.
Yeah.
Chalo, I'll go take a shower.
आज के बाद हम कभी नहीं मिलेंगे. I can't stay with you anymore, okay?
Avantika, you aren't serious, right? A part of me dies every time you go.
A part of me dies every time I cheat on him. And for you, it's all about the film. This one and then the next. मेरी शादी हो रही थी कि We were having sex in my honeymoon suite. तुमने एक बार भी मुझे रोका? Not even once. तुम बस एक बार मुझे रोक लेते, मैं सब छोड़ के तुम्हारे साथ भाग जाती.
Don't go. Please don't go.
Why should I stay?
So that we can finally be together. Please marry me.
Yeah, sure.
I'm serious. Please leave him and marry me. I was a fool, but this time I'm ready.
I'm not. I'm not gay. Okay, slow down. Okay, slow down. Okay, please look at the road and slow down. Okay, you'll get scared.
कुछ नहीं. Just a nightmare.
Pregnant नहीं हूँ, nightmares तुम्हें आए.
देखो, तुम्हारे नाइटमेयर्स भी पहले मेरे पास आते हैं.
Best husband की ट्रॉफी तुम्हें ही मिलने वाली है.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Yeah. Good night.
यादों में जीना क्यों जीने में इतनी यादों की मनमानी है.
Okay, slow down.
I'm sorry.
Okay, slow down. Okay, please look at the road and slow down. Okay, you'll kill us. Okay, you'll kill our baby.
Hi. Didn't want to wake you.
Listen. Who are you? What's your name?
Why?
Why? Because this feels a little weird.
You don't like this?
I like it, but It doesn't feel real. It feels like a...
Dream.
Hey. Stop it. Who are you? Huh?
Who am I? Who am I?
Who am I?
You don't even remember me?
You didn't remember me.
What do you mean I don't remember you? What does that mean? What do you want from me?
अरे ऑडिशन किया था
What?
for Ice Maid. Your Devdas.
You auditioned for me?
You rejected me.
Oh, I didn't, did I? You think I see all the tapes? Really? And even if I saw them, you think I would remember everybody who auditioned for me? My God. Is that why you're messing with me?
Messing with you?
I get it. You've read the book. You've read Exploits of a Puppeteer, right? Right?
Exploits of a puppeteer?
Exploits of a Puppeteer. I'm the puppeteer, me. I wrote about all my exes.
What, you're collecting stories for your films?
Listen, nobody knew it was about real people, okay? It felt like fiction.
That's not the point.
What is the point?
You use them. Why do you keep moving from one girl to another?
Why do you want to know? Because I don't want to be tied down. It's simple.
Okay, Mr. Puppeteer. You do realize that someone up there is pulling your strings,
Yeah.
right?
I told you I don't believe in God.
That's like saying you don't believe in the greatest filmmaker ever. I mean, हम सबकी जिंदगी में romance है, comedy, drama, tragedy.
And lousy scripts, right? He definitely needs a better scriptwriter, that's for sure.
Even James Bond doesn't like this note. You know?
And why not?
Well, he thinks it shows too much vanity. He mistrusts men who tie a Windsor knot.
I believe vanity works,
Sure.
on certain men at least. About that 25th wala weekend, so I'll book the tickets.
Huh? Matlab, 25th is so far away. We'll figure it out in a bit. है ना?
Yeah, sure.
Careful.
Okay.
No. Veena. The one who deflowered me, devoured me. And now.
Okay.
Now doesn't even let me do a dramatic voiceover by myself. Enough. I need to make my own bloody mistakes. Even if she doesn't feel like I belong in an office. I'm ready. Am I?
Sure. I'll interview you.